Is gold still a good investment after crashing more than 25% during a war and period of high inflation? Yes, you should keep investing in gold. Gold should be 5 to 15% of your portfolio, not just for returns but also as a hedge. Amphi's monthly mutual fund data shows that Indian investors are doing the complete opposite. Money started flooding into gold funds only after 2025. Gold had already run up by then and equities were not doing good. Gold can protect your portfolio when the rupee weakens. If rupee goes from 95 to 115, gold will gain 20% in rupee terms because Indian prices of gold are linked to the dollar price of gold. If global economy is in a bad condition for a long period, equities will go lower but gold will hold value. There are few triggers which will support gold prices. RBI and central banks are still buying gold, and if gold prices stay low, they will buy more. Once US bond yields fall, money will return to gold. So these factors will support gold prices. See, gold does not pay dividends or interest. So there are times when gold will give no returns, especially when the global economy is strong. But then in a very short time when things get bad, gold prices go up. Unless you invest regularly, you will not benefit when gold goes up. Just like our previous generations kept investing in gold. Gold or equities, they are unpredictable. Do an SIP even when gold has not given good returns. Send this to one person in your family who either loves gold or doesn't want to touch gold. Save it and follow me for more.